Okay, there's been a lot of talk about solder paste. Solder paste comes in tubes. It's grey and has a little bit there. Now, I absolutely love this stuff. This is actually solder and flux. The solder has been ground to a very fine pigment and it melts. So I just want to demonstrate. It comes out of a tube like that. See how liquid it is? Comes out in a pad. Spin it around, it's like grease. There it is. There it is, and a real big, so it's just like grease. You can put it around the little pipes or anything like that. Now, by applying heat with a soldering iron, it will magically turn itself into solder. There it is. See that? What a beautiful piece of solder there. It's nice and tinned. There it is, turned into solder. Okay.